Hi everyone, my name is Shayna from WTI, and you can remove all your makeup, even the most stubborn red lip and mascara, with this Speedy Cleansing Oil. Well, this cleansing oil does exactly what it says. It speedily or quickly dissolves and removes all your makeup, even the most stubborn full coverage makeup that never wants to leave your face. It is water activated. Initially, when you put it on your face, it is the oil, but once you put water on your face, it turns milky. I like to rub it all over my face to make sure I'm getting all traces of the makeup. And after, I always like to follow up with another cleanser to make sure my face is squeaky clean. I love that even though this is a cleansing oil, it doesn't leave my skin oily. It really just removes all my makeup and it leaves my face feeling very silky, soft, and supple after. And I really love the packaging. I love this pink and blue, and there's a little heart right there. It's so cute. So I really love this cleansing oil, and I hope you will too. And that's my point of view.